Hello friends, my name is Akil and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video we learned what is data binding and what are different types of data binding. In this video we will be learning one of its types, which is interpolation. So interpolation is the way to get the value of the variables that are declared inside a TypeScript file inside the HTML file. Like if we want to get the value of the title variable, then we can do that by using interpolation. And the syntax for interpolation is by using the double curly braces inside, and inside here we specify the variables that are declared inside the TypeScript file of our component, and then we can get the value of that variable. So now if we refresh the application, we can go to the browser, and here it is the value of the title coming from the TypeScript file. So now there are different things you can do with interpolation. You can specify mathematical expressions here and you will get the results here inside the browser. Now you can also say, like if we want to put in here like 5 greater than 0 or not, now it will check whether it is false or true. Now here 5 is greater than 0, so it will return true. So as you can see, it's returning true because 5 is greater than 0. Now if we want to change the value of the input, like here if we want to change the type text to anything, like we don't want to use it as a static thing or as static data, we can do that by interpolation also, by using the double curly braces inside the type, and here we can specify the type from, and that will be coming from our the TypeScript file. We will create that, and inside the application we will go to the TypeScript file and we can specify anything. Like here if we want to specify numbers, then we can do that also by using interpolation. Now if we want, now this will also be used as numbers. Now if we want to change the type to, sorry, numbers, not numbers, number. So this is returning the type as number. We can specify the number inside the input. Now if we want to change it to date, then it will be changed to date. So this is the type coming from the TypeScript file. So this was a little bit about interpolation. In the next video we will learn what is property binding and how to use it. So thanks for watching the video and stay tuned for programming lectures like this.